The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a cutting-edge device that brings advanced security and convenience to your home. This smart lock offers a range of features designed to provide easy access control and enhanced security for your doors, making it an essential component of any smart home system. One of the primary features of the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is its ability to provide keyless entry. With this smart lock installed, you can unlock and lock your door using your smartphone, eliminating the need for traditional keys. This feature is particularly convenient for households with multiple members, as it allows everyone to access the home without needing to carry physical keys. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock also supports virtual keys, which can be shared with family members, friends, or service providers. You can grant and revoke access permissions easily through the August app, providing temporary or permanent access as needed. This feature is ideal for managing access for house cleaners, dog walkers, or guests, ensuring that you maintain control over who enters your home. One of the standout features of the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is its integration with existing deadbolts. The smart lock can be installed on the inside of your door, allowing you to keep your existing exterior hardware and keys. This design ensures that you can continue using your traditional keys as a backup, providing an additional layer of security and convenience. The lock's built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to control it remotely from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or simply away from home, you can check the status of your lock or unlock the door, and receive notifications about who enters and exits your home. This remote access capability enhances your peace of mind and provides added security. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock also features automatic locking and unlocking. Using geofencing technology, the lock can detect when you are approaching or leaving your home and automatically unlock or lock the door accordingly. This hands-free functionality adds a layer of convenience, ensuring that you never have to fumble for your keys when your hands are full. Security is a top priority for the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The device uses AES 128-bit and TLS encryption to ensure that your data and access codes are secure. Additionally, the lock provides real-time activity tracking, allowing you to monitor who enters and exits your home and when. This feature is particularly useful for keeping track of household members or monitoring access during specific times of the day. Integration with smart home ecosystems is another significant advantage of the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. It works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and other popular platforms. This compatibility enhances the overall functionality of your smart home system and provides a cohesive experience.